Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm with Flex Film, and I'm going to do a quick tool review on the Line Extractor. This is a series of squeegees that have been put out by the Fusion Tool Company. For 2019, they seem to really up their game. They've come out with a lot of stuff. This particular squeegee blade is, let's just say, kind of been the talk of social media, but a lot of people are talking about it. I would say after I've used it, I think it's a pretty cool tool. The things you'll need to know about it, though, in trying to make a decision whether you want to buy one or not would be to notice that they come in different shapes or cuts. This one's one where you've got the angled edges. Sometimes you can just get or opt for the block edge. Both of these tools have what they call beveled edge cuts. See, they're cut on each side. This one is on both sides. This one is just made for one side. And also you can get the squeegees like, and I guess they call it block form. They're just everything's straight. These are 8-inch. These other ones are a little smaller. I think they're about 5-inch. And what I've done is I took one of their Fusion handles, put one in it, and I've been using it. This is a very hard squeegee. They refer to it as medium hard. It's a very hard squeegee, and thus it's probably really good for cleaning and mainly extracting water from underneath your film. The harder the squeegee, the more sometimes you can extract. The downside, I think, with any hard squeegee is the edges may have a tendency to wear out quicker. If you're going to go up against sharp objects or even over the beveled edges, which is kind of like sandpaper, you might wear these out quicker than some of the softer squeegees that you could put in some of these handles like this. But again, the Line Extractor, you're going to buy it for the hardness and its ability to extract water. You're going to be able to put one like this probably in a larger handle for maybe a flat glass application. The smaller ones are for automotive. Whether you prefer the blocks or the angled contours, so it's personal preference. But I'll say this last and real quick: you have tools out there like the Orange Crush, the little squeegees that are popular. They're kind of soft. You got the clear, you got the Blue Max, the Clear Max. This is, I would say, probably deserves to be in that family of tools. This is one of the harder ones. I would say maybe people that are used to the Blue Max could possibly interchange the Blue Max with this. The Blue Max is kind of hard. This might be a little bit harder. Again, it's your preference. You might want to give it a try. These are the Line Extractors. And if you want to see what these look like and see all the choices, feel free to go to our website, www.flexfilmstore.com. That's www.flexfilmstore.com. Look up Line Extractor.